everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm gonna help you learn how to sign up for Tinder. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to sign up for Tinder, make sure you've downloaded Tinder application on your device. You can also browse through your web browser in order to log in or sign up to Tinder. Once you tap open the application, you can sign up to Tinder with your Google, Facebook, and with your phone number. Choose any options to begin. Let me tap on Login with Phone Number option and choose your country code from the drop-down. Once you select your country code, type in your phone number and then tap on Continue. You'll receive a verification code sent to your mobile number. Once you receive it, it will be typed in automatically. Now, tap on Continue. Enable the location in order to use Tinder by tapping on Allow Location. Now, enter your email address in the text field. Tap on Continue after you're done. Go through the information and follow the house rules mentioned below while operating Tinder. Tap on I agree and type in your first name in the text field. Tap Continue. Select your date of birth on the next page. After you're done, tap Continue. Remember that your age will be public, and on the next page, select your gender. You can choose to show your gender on your profile. To do so, tap on this box at the bottom and continue. Choose your sexual orientation. Again, your sexual orientation will be shown on your profile according to your choice. If you want it to show, click on Show my orientation on my profile at the bottom. If not, uncheck the box and tap on Continue. Choose the gender that you are interested in. Select Continue. Enter your university name. Tap Continue one more time. Select your passion from the options. You can select up to 5. Tap on Continue after you're done. Add your photo for your profile. You'll need to add at least 2 photos in order to continue. Allow access for Tinder to access to your photo, medias, and files by tapping on Allow. Go to your gallery. Select a picture that you'd like to use. Make sure to choose up to 2 pictures. Tap Next and click on Continue. And that is it. In order to know how Tinder operates, you can go ahead and take a quick tutorial by tapping on Start Tutorial and do according to what it tells you. Tap on Let's Go, and that is it. That is how you can easily sign up for Tinder. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.